So I'm preparing this thing to get plasti dipped. Taped off the part where I'm gonna be putting the 3M tape. But yeah, this is gonna be another short video of installing the LTW wing, because I'm just gonna do it like a super cheap way by just self-tapping it through. So yeah. Crap. That's why it's going out like that. It's spun. But yeah, luckily this is the first layer, so it'll cover over. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a couple minutes. So boom, that's the wing just sitting on the trunk for right now. Most likely about to just what do you call it, start the mounting process and whatnot. But yeah, in black it looks cool because I wanted it to match like the trim and everything like that, and the front lip, so all the arrow is going to be black, and then maybe down the line I'll get like one to paint match it, but this is good enough for now. Plasti dip isn't perfect, but it was never meant to be because the paint under it wasn't perfect, so I'd have to like take that all down, and ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, this is what it would look like with the wing on. And quickly, this is just like the view from behind the car, so like it's really uniform, flat black, flat black, flat black, or satin, but like that's just like the theme that I'm going for. Like it just looks really cool. Like even the arrow mirrors, same color, so it's just the whole theme going on. So I wiped this part here down with alcohol, and then now I'm gonna heat up the metal so it makes the 3M tape adhere, and then push it down. And after I feel as if it adhered properly, I'll be opening the trunk and throwing some self-tappers in just for the added rigidity, but should be good. And if not, it'll fly off and the streets could have it. So there's that. I accidentally dropped it and it went like a half a centimeter over to the left, but you know what? Oh well. But as you guys can see, 3M tape can more than hold this thing up. But you know, just for safekeeping and whatnot, I'm gonna be throwing the self-tappers through. Okay, so it's mounted. Per usual, I was not careful and stripped one of the screws, but yeah, I'm also gonna have to touch up some of the dip, like right here and on the side, so it's nothing but taping this and covering it up and just spraying some dip over it. But yeah, it's good. The trunk is perfect. Like, and another thing about it is, since this lip is lighter than the stock, I think it should be, but yeah, like before the thing would just like try to fall like all the way down. Oh, actually, well, it's actually because it's cold. When it's warm, the struts work better, but like it doesn't like just try to slam all the way down. But boom, there we go. So that's the LTW wing on. It is kind of bothering me that it's shifted to the left a little, but there's nothing I could do now. I don't really care. But it is a little annoying because like if you look right here, you can see it kind of hangs over. But then when you look right here, it's like more in. And granted, like, it's whatever, but yeah, like, you'd only know if you're like looking for it. But yeah, the car is definitely coming along, and I really can't wait for, you know, more progress. But yeah, this is super sick. Like, I just love the LTW wing. But yeah, so you guys can see, that's fire. So I have the LTW wing, Rieger front lip, the arrows coming along, like, it matches well and everything with the rest of the trim. So yeah, I'm about to probably just order some whatever side skirts to throw on, and then I'm also gonna order some I'm gonna I'm gonna finish the diffuser and put the diffuser on, but I also need to put the diamond muffler on. So yeah. Oh yeah, I also have the Lux front grill thing that I have to find a way to put on. I'm not exactly sure how. Maybe zip ties, maybe glue, who knows. But yeah, or I may just cut up some of the metal and like I don't know. I'll figure it out. I may even do that right now just cuz, but actually no. I'm not going to do that right now cuz it's kind of cold out. So yeah. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get to you guys in the next one when we do some front Lux grill stuff and some rear diffuser stuff. Tomorrow's Monday, so, and I believe the weather's going to be nicer, so it'll be good for me to be out here cutting up the diffuser and making it fit, because that's one thing I'm really excited for. So I'll get that thing on, and yeah. So again, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and catch you in the next one. Peace.